You are making worksheet, aren't you?
Yes.
It is your favorite book, isn't it? They are your friends, aren't they? You miss them so much, don't you? You don't draw that picture, do you?
Which picture? The one? No.
You are bored now, aren't you? It's raining outside, isn't it? You feel sleepy, don't you? You are not sleeping, are you?
Can you stop bothering me? Let me sleep for a while. Let me have a nap.
You are sleeping now, aren't you? Hello? Hello? I guess she's sleeping. Let's just leave her. Bye. Hello again. Today we are learning about question tags or tag questions. Question tags are short questions which speakers use at the end of a statement, like this one. You have a cat, don't you? She is your cousin, isn't she? Talking about question tags, we are talking about the intonation. If the tag is falling, just like this one, you don't like it, do you? She's your cousin, isn't she? That means the speaker is asking for confirmation if the statement is true. If the tag is rising, just like this one, she's your cousin, isn't she? You don't like seafood, do you? It means the speaker is in fact asking a question. There are rules in using question tag. Like this one. The first rule is this. If the statement is positive, then the tag is negative. The second rule is, if the statement is negative, then we use the opposite. We use a positive question tag. Next is the formation. If there is an auxiliary verb, just like don't, is, didn't, was, hadn't, am, are, etc., in the statement, we use it to form the question tag. But sometimes there is no auxiliary verb already in the statement. If the statement is in present simple or past simple, let's say Jenny eats cheese. I said that already, so there is no auxiliary. Then we use don't, doesn't, or didn't. So, learning question tags can seem be easy, but it also can be very tricky. But don't worry, with a lot of practice, you'll be getting used to in using it. So, you are ready to learn more about question tags, aren't you? Happy practicing! See you next time. Bye! Let's practice, shall we?